advice, never take advice for someone who is not where you want to be. When you're taking advice, make sure it's someone whose shoes you want to walk in one day.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
So true. Yeah.
So when you're taking real estate advice, you take it from someone that can give you good advice based on their experience. And sometimes your CPA is that person and sometimes they're not. Sometimes your lawyer is and sometimes they're not. Sometimes your title company, sometimes your real estate agent, right? There's so many people that you have access to. The place where your smarts really comes in is choosing the people for who you're going to take advice for what.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
So true.
So, yeah. So, in this particular case, the CPA wasn't the best person to give him advice. You, Maureen, have been in this business. You've ridden a couple of cycles. You've seen what's happening out there because you manage 1,200 doors, right?
Yes.
So your advice in that situation is much more relevant. It doesn't mean that anybody's wrong or right. It just means what's more relevant and what's going to benefit you more, right?
Yeah, because I thought at that time, God, if he or anyone, says, I'm going to sit on the sidelines and wait and see, I recognize that they're missing an opportunity to lock in to low rates and high cash flow for years to come.